PLC Programming Languages. The languages we use in programming PLCs are different from the common ones that you probably know, such as C, C++, Java, Python, and all. PLC programming languages are divided into two sections. We have the graphics-based programming languages and text-based programming languages. Graphics-based programming languages are of three types. Number one is the ladder logic diagram, LAD. Second to it is the function block diagram, FBD. And the third one is the Sequential Function chart, SFC. For the text-based programming languages, we have two of them. Number one is the instruction list, and the second one is structured text. Ladder logic diagram is the most commonly used language for PLC programming. In the next video, we are going to be looking at the monetary value of automation profession.